Hello Year 7, we're going to do some programming today, really simple. We're going to go on to Scratch, let's go into Google, it comes it straight away as the first one, and you want to just go create. You don't have to log in or anything like that, just go straight into create and you're ready to go. It gives you quite a nice little tutorial actually if you're interested, but we'll just get rid of it for the time being. The keyword we're looking at today is say, and it's all the instructions are grouped, so we're going to have a look at it's under looks, and there we've got it, say, and that's our program, and you can run it. Dead simple to run, just click on the instruction and you can see it says we've got some information printed to the screen. So we're just going to write a joke now. Let's write something else. So, why does a seagull fly over the sea? Let's run the code, and you can see we've got that information outputted to the screen. It's actually printed onto the screen. Some computer languages use the word print instead of say, but this is a sprite saying it. Now then, I want to answer this joke, so I'm going to use say again, and this time I'm going to answer the joke by saying because if it flew over the bay. Do you know what? I'm just going to keep it there for a minute to keep our users in suspense. Right, let's have a look at running the program. This time, again, just click on any of the instructions. Now, some things happened here because we've gone straight into the second line. The first instruction, we're not seeing it, and that's because when these instructions execute, straight away it moves on to the next one. So we didn't even have time to look at what had been printed to the screen. So we need to take control of the flow of the program, and to do that we want to wait for a while, and it's under control, just controlling how the program flows, and we're going to wait. We'll wait for 3 seconds. Let's see what happens this time when we do it. Again, just click on any of the instructions. Okay, instruction 1. Oh, it's waiting for a bit. Instruction 2. Yeah, great, it's working. Okay, I'm going to carry on with this joke just to finish it off then. Let's put another one of these waits in, and I'll wait for 3 seconds. Let's go back into looks and have say. Use the simple say, don't use the one that has the seconds in it. And then we'll finish the joke off. Because if it flew over the bay, it would be a bagel. You're welcome. So let's run that, see what happens. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line 5. These instructions are carried out in order, one after the other. And it uses a technique actually called sequence, which just means that all the instructions are going to be executed. They're only executed once, and they follow an order, a sequence. It's one after the other. It's one of the most common types of programming techniques that we use. It's worth us just having a look at a really nice diagram that computer programmers use. And we've got the same program written here, but what's nice about this, we could give this program to any programmer. It doesn't matter whether they're using Python or Scratch or other languages, they'd be able to write code from it. So it's a really nice way of writing a computer program. It's called a flow diagram. We've got a oval to start off with, and they're used for the start and end of your program, these ovals. And then just actual instructions that are just doing something are written in rectangles. What I like about this are these arrows that show the flow of the program. And when you have a diagram like this, where the arrows are just going down each time, we've got sequence, just one thing followed by another. Now then, what would be really nice for you to do is to have a bit of a play with this, but just to have a bit of a play with sequence and to make sure that you're okay with output using say. We just want you to use say and wait, that's all. But use your creativity now. Think of something that would look really nice. It could be a joke, it could be a little bit of a story where we're saying something and we're just waiting for a while. But don't use anything else at this stage, just those two things please, say and wait.